Hey, this is Robbie Fischer, and this is the 1953 North Sea flood. The North Sea flood was a storm surge that was caused by many different factors. These factors all just suddenly combined in a very unfortunate timing. These factors include the annual spring tides with deep pressure water and severe gale forces, as you can see right over here, which were recorded to be up to 126 miles per hour. These two factors funneled the high tide southward toward the narrow English Channel, and they also happened to hit the Netherlands along with other places. The storm surge was recorded to be 5.6 meters at its peak. Some areas in England are barely above sea level, while in the Netherlands, approximately 50% of the territory is barely 1 meter above sea level. The natural sea barriers present in England would also prove to be very bad as they acted as a natural inlet and gateway for the sea surge to flow towards inland. The magnitude and time. The water rushed in with no time to react, and one of the survivors said it took less than 15 minutes for the water from when the water first appeared to being 5 feet tall inside the house. People who lived closer to the coast, the sea, reported a wall of water immediately rushing in and collapsing many homes. This was reported in Belgium, Netherlands, and England. As you can see here, around 140,000 acres of land in England were flooded, and 340,000 acres of land in the Netherlands was flooded. The societal and economic impact. In England, 307 people were killed, 32,000 people were evacuated, 24,000 properties were damaged, and 46,000 livestock were killed. In the Netherlands, 1,836 people were killed, 100,000 people were evacuated, 47,300 buildings were damaged, and 30,000 livestock were killed. There were also 17 deaths reported in Scotland, 22 deaths reported in Belgium, and 230 deaths reported at sea. More than 60 miles of seawall was collapsed, and not to mention, saltwater also contaminated farmland for several years, which made food a little scarce. The mitigation and or adaptation strategies. So this led to the government in both England and the Netherlands to make significant improvements in the coastal defenses, warning systems, and flood management policies. It caused the development of the storm tide warning system in England and the completion of the Thames barrier. In the Netherlands, Delta Works, which is this right over here, was created, and this protects the Netherlands from coastal flooding. Along with in 1966, the Environment Agency was created to monitor the flood defenses and warning systems. This is the works cited, and this is where I got my pictures.